Welcome to Bike Shift, the place where new models, future launches, and two-wheeler technology come alive through words. Today, we focus on a motorcycle designed for comfort, built for the open road, and returning in a modern avatar, the 2026 Bajaj Avenger 160. A cruiser that has always been known for relaxed riding and road presence, now arriving with updated looks, features, and performance for the next generation. Sit back and explore this detailed breakdown of what makes the 2026 Avenger 160 a potential star in the affordable cruiser segment. The 2026 Avenger 160 continues the iconic low-slung cruiser stance, now refined with sharper finishing, deeper detailing, and an even more muscular road character. The long wheelbase, laid-back seat, and wide handlebar maintain the traditional cruiser DNA. A new and more sculpted fuel tank, premium chrome accents, and redesigned fenders enhance the road appeal. The bike looks larger, richer, and undoubtedly more mature than its predecessors. It still feels like a motorcycle meant to rule highways at a peaceful, effortless rhythm. Under the frame lies an updated 160 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, tuned to offer steady torque at low RPM, perfect for relaxed city cruising and long-distance comfort. The power delivery is smooth, vibration-free, and balanced for daily riders who demand comfort more than outright aggression. The expected fuel injection refinement ensures better combustion, cleaner emissions, and consistent performance even under varying climatic conditions. This motorcycle is made for riders who love smooth openings, silent pull, and easy gear shifts across long hours on the saddle. Comfort is the heart of Avenger, and 2026 strengthens that legacy. The forward-set foot pegs, deep-cushioned back supporting seat, and relaxed handlebar angle together form a spine-friendly riding triangle. Riders can sit for hours without strain, and the bike glides through highways like a companion, not a machine. The suspension setup is designed to absorb bad patches with softness while offering stability at higher speeds. Whether cruising through coastal roads or weaving through slow traffic, the experience remains calm, composed, and fatigue-free. The 2026 Avenger 160 embraces modernity while preserving its retro elegance. A semi-digital instrument cluster, better night illumination headlamp, potential USB charging slot, and new fuel efficiency tracking make daily usage more practical. Safety grows stronger with disc brakes and single-channel ABS for improved control during sudden stops. Small enhancements come together to create a more usable, city-friendly cruiser with long-distance capability. This motorcycle isn't just transportation, it is a lifestyle statement. In a market dominated by sports commuters, the Avenger stands unique, offering affordability along with cruiser comfort. It invites slow riding, sunset journeys, and open road breathing space. With better refinement, improved features, and a classic cruiser identity, the 2026 Avenger 160 has the potential to be one of the most desirable entry-level cruisers of its generation. The 2026 Bajaj Avenger 160 represents freedom, comfort, calmness, and a mindset that riding is not always about speed, but about feeling the wind flow gently past. From commuting to weekend escapes, this machine promises a peaceful rhythm on every road. Thank you for exploring this right here on Bike Shift, where every motorcycle has a story and every journey begins with curiosity.